Whether you're inspired by spending time at a luxury hacienda in Mexico or sipping wine in a Tuscan villa, you've likely become enamored with the earthly warmth of spaces with handmade terracotta flooring. At Rustico Tile, we focus on offering the best handmade terracotta tiles for homeowners who care about quality. Each artisan terracotta tile shows the skill of our craftsmen, who put their heart into making, by hand, beautiful pieces that will last for years. With a range of earthy hues and dozens of sizes and designs, terracotta tiles are a practical and beautiful floor solution for many architectural styles, including hacienda, Spanish Revival, Mediterranean, beach homes, and log cabin styles. These strong and water-resistant tiles embody a sophisticated yet rustic look into any living space. Not sure where to begin? Contact us for expert help. Make every space count with Rustico Tile and Stone. Reach out to us today.